and where down we go, where down we go, say where down we go, oh, 'cause say we run you down.
Hey, welcome to another video. So for all my mothers watching the channel, I hope you guys had a wonderful Mother's Day. I miss you guys. I didn't put up a video last week and it feels like it's just been forever. But anyway, again, I hope you guys for the mothers had a wonderful weekend. And thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos for the week. And yes, if you've been watching my channel or if you're new here, don't forget to click on that subscribe button. Also smash that like button, comment, share, all of that great stuff. So in today's video, I want to do a little bit of organization. You guys know, if you've been watching me from the beginning, you know, I am in my 2-year run in the home. So yes, it'll be 2 years in August since I settled in my home. So been here for a while, and just kind of like there's just things I've just been like putting just plopping anywhere in the house, and I'm kind of at the point where I really want to start organizing. So I'm going to start in the foyer. I do want to tidy up my office a little bit, so you get to see me do that. But this closet, so this is the foyer closet, and there's just so much junk in there. When we moved in here, I just like wanted to get things out the way, and I just like put them in there just to hide them. But I want to go ahead and clean out this closet, organize it a little bit. And then I have some stuff in my foyer under the table that I just kind of like put under there. I want to get that all cleaned up and just looking really, really nice, the space. So it's all about organization today. So I hope you guys get inspired by this video. And yeah, and don't forget to leave if you have any organizational tips, please put them in the comments. So let's get into it. So I got it all cleared out. So wait, first let me show you guys all that was in this closet. Look at all of this stuff. Could you believe all of this was in there? There were like coats hung up in there. Just all kinds of stuff from the move that I had made to here. There's like stuff in here that really actually has to go out in the trash. Like this ring light that's broke. I have to, I'm gonna throw that out. And then this monitor I'm gonna throw out. It's broken. It's something that I got from my job. I was going to return it, but they were just like, if it doesn't work, you can just get rid of it. So, yep, that's a book. And then this is actually pieces. I had a gate when Chastity was much younger and she just started walking. I had a gate at the steps there, and I actually threw out majority of the pieces, but these were remaining in the closet and I just never threw them out. So this is just the remnants of it. So I'm going to get rid of that. And then, let me tell you a story about this sweatshirt. So I had a guy come in and as a plumber, he came in and he kind of installed my faucet in the kitchen. And he left this here, and I thought he was going to come back for it, but he never did. So I'm actually going to just get rid of that. It's been like 2 years. And then it's just like a whole bunch of other stuff. These are the crystals to my chandelier in the foyer that I'm probably going to put back up there because I don't want the kids touching them. But this is the closet. So it's just like the one shelf here. And then of course this is the thing to my vent, whatever they got installed back here. That's that. And I do have a outlet in here. I actually upgraded on this to get an outlet put in the closet so I could keep my vacuum cleaner in here and also charge it. A good tip if you are looking to get a new construction home, I would definitely recommend putting outlets in the closets. I kind of wish I had put it in this closet and also the closet by the garage, and also in my, did I do it in my bedroom? I don't know, but it's actually a good idea to get outlets in your closet. So just think about that if you're getting a new construction home. And so this is like dirty, dusty. So I want to go ahead and get this vacuum out. And I want to start just like putting stuff in here. Good thing is because this is a 9 feet ceiling, I can like stack stuff way up there. But yeah, maybe like in the far future, I don't know when, it's not a must have, but maybe getting like some additional shelves like built in here to kind of like stack things. But I'm gonna utilize the space that I have and what I have and get this closet all tidy up. So let's get back into it. So this is what the closet is looking like now. Looks so much better. As you guys saw, I took a lot out of here. So I'm thinking these right here are the shoe covers. I think what I want to do is actually utilize that basket and put those in there. Yeah, but the thing is, I want to sit them out here, but the problem, I don't have nothing to really sit it on, and I don't want to sit it on the table. I don't know, I may, when I move these boxes, that box right there is going to go in the basement. It's just like some hardware supplies in there. And then I want to put that basket, that tall basket, I think I'm going to put that somewhere else, not sure yet. But essentially what I want under here, I really just want those two vases under here. So yeah, that's why I want to clean this up a little bit. But yeah, and so I was thinking with the shoe covers, I was actually thinking putting them in this basket, getting a table, a small table, and putting it in front of there, or like in the corner of here or something. I don't know. So when you walk in, you can kind of grab the shoe cover. So I'm gonna definitely look for one of those, because like I said, I want to actually take those shoe covers out of the closet and put them in this bin here. And then for the time being, until I get a table, I can probably tuck them under the table out of view, but we'll see what it looks like. So that's going to be maybe a little small change there. And this gun here, I'm actually going to put this in the pantry closet. And then all of this was in the closet, and it's all trash. So this all has to go out, put in the trash. Yeah, I wish we had like a dumpster nearby, because they're still like building homes in the community, and I could just like dump this stuff in there. But anyway, so I'm gonna get rid of all of that. And then this is just like some equipment here that I'm gonna ship back to my company. I should have did that a long time ago. And then I'm going to kind of tidy up my office a little bit more. There was some stuff on that little desk that I used when I first moved in to work from home, and I'm actually gonna just like finish clearing that off. And yeah, so it's definitely looking a lot better in here. And there's some travel luggage that I got I never like put away. I want to actually take that upstairs and put it in my room. So yeah, so it's still a little bit more to go, and it should look so much better in here in my 4-year in office. All right, I just got back from taking my son to a birthday party for one of his friends. And yes, so I'm going to go ahead and close out this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I just did a little bit of some organization, some cleaning around the house, much needed. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment, all of that great stuff. And until the next video, bye-bye.